We are Tinker number one.
We are Tinker number one.
We are Bal Bhavanite.
We are Bal Bhavanite.
We are Tinker number one.
We are Tinker number one.
Conquer challenges in our life.
Face challenges in life.
We are Tinker number one. करेंगे टिंकरिंग का काम, बांटेंगे हम आइडियाज और खुशियों के मुकाम. We are Tinker number one. BBPS स्कूल का नाम, बांटेंगे हम आइडियाज और खुशियों के मुकाम, क्योंकि स्कूल ने हमें ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिलाया. डायरेक्टर सर ने हमें ज्ञान ये सिखाया, क्योंकि हम भी सीखेंगे और सबको हम सिखाएंगे। इनोवेशन और क्रिएटिविटी को हम भी अब अपनाएंगे।
हम भी अपनाएंगे, हम भी अपनाएंगे।
What various ways it uses and what various ways after which it combines that and uses density to build a particular solid model. And we talked about that.
Is it the microcontroller based or is there a microcontroller or something? No, it's only chip.
दूसरे से कनेक्ट करना था लैपटॉप से और
ये आर्डिनो नैनो के यूज से चल रहा है, वो यूएनओ के और
ये दो CNC मशीन हमने अभी लगाए हैं।
इससे प्रमोटर्स जो इनके प्रिसीजन के लिए कि जैसे 3D प्रिंटर में 3D लेवल पे होता है, ये 2D में प्रिंट करना है।
Like let's say if there are two ports, one is 0 and the other is 1. When I would type 1 from my phone, the text will appear here that ambulance is here, clear the traffic. So by seeing this message, the people can get aware of this fact and clear the traffic immediately so that ambulance can be faster.
Wow, great.
Thank you.
Very
in such a way that if something is in front of it in a region of 10, in a region of 1 to 2 meters, it vibrates these particular motors, and the person who's wearing his glove gets to know that what is in front of him and what is in the left and what is in the right.
forward, and when backwards it will back, and similarly at left and right. This can be help the people who are suffering from differently able, they can use their cars by this, and they can also install it on the wheelchairs.
So it is not like a DC motor which just rotates. This is a Arduino Uno which helps us to alternate the input and output of the devices. This is MQ5 sensor. This sensor is a gas, or we can say alcohol, different type of, it senses different things. So we have used it as a gas sensor, and there's a buzzer and an LED. The thing is, let this knob off of a gas. If we on the knob, and by chance, as we know, we are very busy humans nowadays, and we are being very careless, and which can lead to death our lives. If the knob is left on and we forgot, and if there is a gas here, the knob will automatically get off with the buzzer and the LED. The buzzer will help to tell us that there is a gas leak, so it will be prevent us from lighting anything in the kitchens which can cause us disease. And as the knob will get off, the gas leak will also get stopped. It is very helpful if the person is not at home, as if the only buzzer will be there and no person is no.
It will still switch it off.
Does
This is one video. This had how you will take the advantage of this place. All the very best to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
के फ्यूचर के लिए, और इससे आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं जो कि आपके जो थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज है उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है। दिन प्रतिदिन जो नई नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है उसके बारे में आप जान सकते हैं। तो ये अटल टिंकरिंग लैब जो है आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। मेरा ये मानना है कि इससे आप लोग बहुत बेनिफिटेड होंगे।
भारत सरकार द्वारा सभी विद्यालयों में जो ये अटल लैब का प्रयोगशाला बन रही है, यह विद्यार्थियों के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी है। और बाल भवन पब्लिक स्कूल मयूर विहार फेज 2 में जो लैब का निर्माण हुआ है, उसको देखकर लगा कि यहाँ जो बच्चे सीखेंगे या बच्चों जो खोज करेंगे, रिसर्च करेंगे, वो बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी सिद्ध होने वाला है। और क्योंकि प्रयोग से ही परिणाम आते हैं, और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि जब यहाँ के बच्चे प्रयोग करेंगे तो उससे हमारा समाज, हमारा राष्ट्र और पूरा विश्व लाभान्वित होगा।
सो रिसेंटली हमारे स्कूल ने ATL यानी अटल टिंकरिंग लैब शुरू की, और इस लैब के अंदर बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं हम लोग। रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन के प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं, रोबोटिक्स, AI, IT, हर चीज़ अवेलेबल है, इवन 3D प्रिंटर्स तक अवेलेबल है इस लैब में। एंड आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा स्टेप है, क्योंकि इंडिया में हमें अभी चाहिए रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करना, और रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स को हम तभी फेस कर पाएंगे जब हमें पता है कि जो हमने पढ़ा है उसका एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन कैसे होता है। और ATL वही चीज़ एग्जैक्टली हमें सिखाती है बहुत यंग एज से, और ये हमारे स्कूल के लिए, हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए और हमारी कंट्री के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होने वाली है।
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am here to describe about Atal Lab. It is a lab where we can renovate our written text into practical ideas. We can design anything which we want. We can design a robot, or we can have the scientific knowledge of AI, arts, etc. We can design something which will be beneficial for our society, which can benefit and which can help in the development of our India. And Atal Lab is basically the platform in which we can renovate our ideas. We can give them a structure which can be visible into the whole world. And that's what we gain about this Atal Lab. And I hope everybody will come here and design their ideas and perform it for us. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning. Today I am going to tell you about my experience regarding Atal Tinkering Labs. These labs are, according to me, awesome, as we can create and innovate our ideas in them. And the 3D printer that creates either hollow or fully designed items is just amazing. And AI, artificial intelligence, that is AI, and various other designs can also be prepared. And this is the place where we can innovate, create and succeed regarding our ideas.
Good morning. This is my project, which is human gesture controlling robot. In this robot, if I use my hand to move my hand in forward direction, then the robot will move forward. Why I mentioned it to be a robot, because it can be installed in different purposes, as we can use it in the military purpose by installing it in the form of a drone. It is of small size and it is on a very small scale that it cannot be detected by the radars of the enemy, and it can also be inserted in the
Done.
Good morning. This is my project, which is human gesture controlling robot. In this robot, I uses my hand gesture to control this. If I put forward my hand, then the robot will move forward. Likewise, when I put the sensor, which is accelerometer, which detect the different axes, that is X, Y, and Z. If I put forward the axis, then it will move forward. This is because of the mainframe that is Arduino sensor. It can be used on the wheelchairs of the physically disabled persons, as they can use and move their wheelchair according to their hand, by moving their hand forward, left or right, whatever they want to. It can also be inserted on the drone system used for military purposes, as it is very small scale, so it can be used for military purposes, for small missions, as it cannot be detected by the radar systems. This project is entirely based on the criteria that we can use the technology based on our movement and our will, and this is used by our gesture controlling system. Thank you.
Start.
Balbon Public School, Maiduguri is functioning on the philosophy of give to the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. This philosophy has been given by the founder chairman, Shri G11. He has his opinion that every student must be given an opportunity to participate in minimum 2 sports activities and 2 cultural activities to channelize their energies properly. He believes that all the students are having a lot of potential within themselves. Their hidden talent should be identified and should be given way to explore them. So keeping that thing in mind, Principal of the school, Mr. Vivek Gupta, has initiated Atal Tinkering Lab in association with NITI Aayog, Government of India, and I'm very much sure that this will play a vital role in educating the students in a proper manner. The hidden talent, the ideas among them will be explored. They will be given sufficient place, sufficient room to explore those ideas, those talent which they have already within themselves. Thank you very much.
Alumni have always tried hard to obtain the best. So this is an opportunity where the school management has taken an initiation to install and inaugurate Atal Tinkering Lab in its premises. It will be a platform for the young talented students of the school where they can come out with their innate talent, innovative ideas, and give itself a design. I feel that this platform for young students of the school will certainly pave a way to achieve bigger milestones in future. The job roles are changing rapidly in today's era, and Atal Tinkering Labs, an initiation by Central Government's Niti Aayog, is certainly a wonderful platform for these students to explore the new ideas, new avenues, and new areas. I feel blessed that our students will now be able to come out with their innate talent and present them in a beautiful manner. I congratulate all the staff members, students for this inauguration of Atal Tinkering Lab.
Congratulations to all Malbuknites on this grand opening of Atal Tinkering Lab. The school has given you another platform and a feather added to your wings. Now spread your wings in the new sky of imagination, creativity and opportunities. Thank you.
We are indeed fortunate and lucky to have the Atal Lab in our school. Atal meaning Atal Tinkering Lab. And I thank the school director, school principal, the headmistress and the entire management committee for having provided an excellent platform for students to explore, ideate, create new things for the ideas that they have in their minds. This place is definitely going to be an innovation hub where the journey of innovation for each and every student begins. And for us teachers also, it is going to be an excellent platform wherein we can help the students to have a hands-on approach to all that they learn in their classes.